is my lighter? I keep dropping my box. I hope there's nothing breakable in there.
Mom?
I know, don't get freaked out. My makeup is totally done. I'm just popping in because I really like hanging out with you. And I want you to hit the subscribe button so that we can hang out more often. And if you're interested in watching me unbox this awesome BoxyCharm, then stay tuned. And then if you're interested in watching me create this makeup look, stay tuned because I create this awesome makeup look with all of the products in this unboxing. But yeah, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. It really does mean the world to me, and I like hanging out with you. So please, 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 I want to get to 1,000 subscribers and do another giveaway. So yeah, if you want to be part of that giveaway, please subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. In case anybody's wondering, we're having a girls' day and dyeing little pieces of our hair different colors. Unless you're my kids and then you're dyeing your whole head a different color. Whatever, it's just hair, it'll grow back. The real reason we're here today, BoxyCharm! I feel like I just did one because I did for September and I posted it in October. We're back for October. Yay! I can't believe I got it so soon. It's like I'm filming this the day I received it in the mail and it is October 7th. That came in soon, right? I can't find anything to break this open with. Okay, I did it. I broke it open. What's in the box? Anything good? Ooh, interesting. Oh, I got a card. I love it when I get a card. So here's the card. So it says that it's the BoxyCharm candy shop, and to save the date, the next online pop-up store will open November 10th. It's right there. And then, in case you were wondering, I have variation number 70. And the first thing in here is the Spongelle. I've always wanted one of these. I've seen them so many times opened on YouTube. The Spongelle. Oh, that smells so good. So what does it say? It says it's a cherry tonka musk body wash infused buffer. Spongelle has collaborated with BoxyCharm to create a limited edition body wash infused buffer. Ooh, okay. It's limited edition. It smells really good. These buffers are made with built-in body wash and infused with extracts of ginseng, elderweed, and vetiver root to cleanse, exfoliate, moisturize, and hydrate the skin for a spa-like pampering experience at home. And this retails for $20. It smells really good though. I'm going to use that today. The next thing in the box is the setting spray. I believe this is a continuous setting spray, which is kind of cool. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, that's nice. I'm excited about that. I wasn't excited about the setting spray because I love my own setting spray and I don't really like to change things up. But I really like that mist. So this is the Tarte Maracuja Miracle Mist Setting Spray. Has a continuous mist. Prepare to be obsessed with this ultra fine vegan superfruit setting mist that effortlessly refreshes the skin and sets makeup for 12 hours. With a natural radiant finish, so skin looks healthy and hydrated. And this is a retail value of $23. Woo! That's exciting. And then, ooh, I'm so excited. Also, there's 2 palettes in here. Can we just talk about that? What? Never seen 2 palettes in a box before. This is the Brazilian Kiss Tinted Butter Lip. Oh, look at how adorable that packaging is. Okay. This smells like popcorn. I'm not mad at it. But I was expecting it to smell like their Boom Boom Cream. It smells like popcorn. I mean, I really want to eat some popcorn now. Does anybody else? What shade do I have? I have Soulmate. I really like this color. Like, it was just tinty enough for me. I really like it. What does it have to say about it? Sol de Janeiro, Brazilian Kiss, Tinted Cupcure Lip Butter. I don't know. Sorry. A soft, I really want popcorn. A soft tinted lip treatment that pampers lips with a delicious blend of the Cupcure butter, acai, and coconut oils. Cushiony, soft, super conditioning for lip-loving benefits that transform dry, rough lips into the moist, kissable with a scrumptious aroma of dolce latte. Okay, dolce latte is supposed to be like a caramel. This smells like popcorn. Like, this is not dolce latte. Dolce latte tastes and looks like and smells like caramel. This is freaking popcorn. Popcorn. This retails for $20 also. Popcorn lips for 20 bucks, ladies. What is this? This is a cheek trio by Real Her, the ultimate glow getter cheek trio. I just destroyed this packaging. Oh, this is nice packaging. Like, this is a hard case that clips, and this is nice. Ooh. Blessed. Goddess. Incredible. I love this palette already. It's buttery, it's soft, it's smooth, they're silky, they are beautiful swatches. They seem to be all colors that are up my alley. I'm excited about this. I'm really excited about this. If you travel, it looks like it would be a really good palette for travel. Ooh, and you know it's a good mirror when there's a sticky on it. Okay. So, what does it say about that? It says this trio has all of the year angles covered. The high quality silky formula ensures high points for your cheeks and evenly highlighted, and hollows perfectly chiseled in the apples of your cheeks, subtlety flushed with a universal peach. And that retails for $28. The last thing in the box is the eyeshadow palette. Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette from Beauty Bakery. Ooh, I like this. Those are some pretty colors. Right? See that? There is no mirror, but the mirror that you got in here is amazing, so whatever. It did come in bubble wrap. Can I show you on my arm? Yawning. Forehead Kisses. I like that color. Pajamas. French doors. Boo and a view. That's a little powdery. Messy hair, always. Fresh face. Ooh, I like that. Cuddle cake. And lazy baby. We'll put that one right there. All right. Hi guys, I'm back to do the try on portion of the video. Scratch that it's like literally a week later that I'm sitting back down to do this try on. I got up to help my daughter in the shower and I never sat back down. One thing happened and the next thing happened and the next thing happened and then we're here. So, I just did my base, my face base. How would you say that? Face base. I just did my foundation and my concealer and my powder. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to use the Real Her contour, blush, and highlight. Or bronzer, blush, and highlight. I don't know. We're going to use it as a bronzer, I guess. That's kind of how I use them. I like that. It was really simple. And buttery. And did the job quick. Ooh. I like that bronzer. Win. Let's try the blush. Where's the blush brush? I'm a hot freaking mess over here, y'all. Blush brush. Got it. Ooh. You know? I think I like that too. Yeah, that's pretty. All right, and then my favorite highlighter, of course. I really do like this Blessed shade, but it's like there is a slight sheen to it. It's not like a sparkle or like a bad sheen, but there's definitely like a healthy glow. Excuse my hands. I have been in all sorts of paint. I am redoing my dining room table and chairs. I'm painting them, the chairs, like this plum fig color. That's a nice highlighter. And we painted the table like a whitewashed kind of a color, which is really pretty. I like it. I like this highlighter a lot. I mean, I pretty much like all highlighters, unless they're bad. Because that makes sense. But this is a nice one. Oh yeah. This totally smells like popcorn. Yep, still smells like it. I like it though. I went and, after I helped my daughter, I remember this now. After I helped my daughter in the shower, I went downstairs and I ate popcorn. And now we're here. I mean, it's so buttery though. I like it. And I like the tone, the chocolatey tone of it. And it stands up cutely like this. Oh shit. Good job. Good job, Cora. Okay, so now we're gonna go in and we're gonna use the Beauty Bakery. It kind of smells like cake. Breakfast in Bed. The Breakfast in Bed palette. I'm gonna use forehead kisses all over my lid. All over everywhere. I don't like that there is no mirror in this. I don't believe I ever told you the grand total of the box. Well, if I didn't, it's this much. Crazy. I know. I don't know how they do it. Alright, I like this shade. You gotta build it up a bit, but it's nice. I am liking this eyeshadow palette. Everything is blending out so nice. I think I'm going to put French door in the inner corner. Yeah, absolutely. I'm going to go with Fresh Face. Alright, so now I'm going to take a super teeny tiny little brush. And I'm going to take the shade Lazy Baby and I'm going to run that underneath on the lower lash line. And so now I'm just going to go do my liner, lashes, and brows, and I'll be right back. Alright, so last thing in the box was the setting spray. I'm really excited to use this. Even though I really like my setting spray, I like that this has a continuous mist. So it says to hold 8 to 10 inches away from your face. Yeah, I like that. It was, ooh, oh, I never did my brows. It was very fine. It was a very fine mist, which I liked. Maybe, I think I don't even really need to do my brows today. Maybe I'll just brush them up. Yeah, so let's recap. I feel sticky. My chest feels sticky after using the setting spray, but it's not a downfall because I really like the spray a lot. I really like the eyeshadow palette. I love the eyeshadow look that I got with this palette. It's beautiful. This was a hit in my book. I really like all 3 of these powders, and minus this kind of smelling like popcorn. I also really like it. I don't mind that it smells like popcorn, but like, could there have been a better scent? Probably. So is that all of it? 1, 2, 3, 4. I feel like I'm missing something. Oh, the Spongele. I still haven't tried it. I forgot about it. And then I took a shower this morning. And I still forgot about it. So, I'll tell you how it is when I try it out. Okay, so we recapped the box. We did the makeup look. I totally... Ah! Did I have lipstick on my teeth that whole time? We're friends. Tell me. Tell me in the comments below. But I don't really care if I did. Yeah. So, yeah. I totally already asked you to subscribe and like, but until next time, guys. Bye. Give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Okay. I'm gonna shut up.